Now see this, today in this live lecture we shall study the next numerical numerical formula for the integration, and that is a Weddle's rule or Weddle's formula to find the numerical integration of the function. Okay. See this, up till we have studied in the numerical quadrature in this chapter, sub chapter numerical quadrature. Actually this is the chapter number 3. This chapter number 3 divided into the 3 parts. First part is numerical differentiation, and that part has 3 sub-bits: introduction, approximate derivative and unsymmetric derivative. Second part of this third chapter is numerical quadrature or numerical integration. In that second part we have studied introduction, general quadrature formula, trapezoidal rule, Simpson's 1/3 rule. Today we shall prove the Weddle's rule, and then we shall solve the problems based on the numerical quadrature or numerical integration. And the third section, this is the separate chapter, that is numerical solution of ordinary differential equation. Okay, we shall discuss this later on. First of all we shall discuss the Weddle's rule. Okay. See this, up till we have studied numerical integration. In that numerical integration we have studied the general quadrature formula, and that general quadrature formula is integral from a to b y dx, which is equals to h into in a bracket n into y0 plus n square by 2 delta y0 plus n cube by 3 minus n square by 2 delta square y0 upon 2 factorial n raised to 4 minus 4 minus n cube plus n square into delta cube y0 upon 3 factorial. In this way we can obtain ... This is the general quadrature formula. If we put सांगा रे, Simpson's 1/3 rule आणि Simpson's 3/8 rule कसा मिळवला जातो? Now if we put n is equals to 1 in the general quadrature formula, then we will get trapezoidal rule, and the form of a trapezoidal rule is h by 2 into y0 plus yn plus 2 times of y1 plus y2 ... yn minus 1. If we put n is equals to 2 in the Simpson's 1/3 rule, then we get if we put n is equals to 2 in the general quadrature formula, then we get Simpson's 1/3 rule integral from a to b y0 y dx is equals to h by 3 y0 plus yn into plus 4 times of y1 plus y3 plus y5 ... yn minus 1 plus 3 times of y2 plus y4 plus ... yn minus 2. Next we shall discuss Simpson's 3/8 rule. Integral from a to b y dx is equals to 3h by 8 y0 plus yn into 3 times of y1 plus y2 plus y3 ... yn minus 1 plus 2 times of y3 plus y6 plus ... yn minus 3. Okay, thus we can obtain the Simpson's 3/8 rule. Okay. Now today we shall discuss the next formula, that is Weddle's formula. What is that Weddle's formula here? Weddle's formula, if we put n is equals to 2, how we can get the Weddle's formula we shall discuss. If we put n is equals to 6, n is equals to 6, in the quadrature rule, numerical quadrature formula, that is general quadrature formula, then we will get Weddle's rule Okay. Now how we can get this rule, how we can find the Weddle's formula, we shall discuss this. What is that Weddle's rule? So we shall discuss the formula is integral from a to b y dx, which is equals to 3h by 10 into, we will get y0 plus 5 times of y1 plus y2 plus 6 times of y3 plus y4 plus y5, 5 times of y5 plus y6, 2 times of y6 plus dot dot dot. Later after this again we have to repeat this 5 times of y7. In this way we will get the continuous process. आता हा फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचा आहे. वी हॅव टू प्रूव्ह दिस जनरल Weddle's rule by using the general quadrature formula. How we can write? We have to prove this. Okay. आता हा थोडा महत्त्वाचा नाही आहे, पण लक्षात ठेवा. Weddle's rule. Prove the Weddle's rule using general quadrature formula. Okay, see this is the question. Prove the Weddle's rule by using a general quadrature formula. We have the general quadrature formula. See this, what is the general quadrature formula here? We know that the general quadrature formula is integral from a to b y dx, which is given by h, or we can write a to b. This is the Weddle's formula. So we can write the general quadrature formula is integral from x0 to x0 plus nh, means a to b y dx, which is equals to h into n into y0 plus n square by 2 into delta y0 plus n cube by 3 minus n square by 2 into, we can write this as a delta square y0 upon 2 factorial plus n raised to 4 by 4 minus n cube by 3 plus n square by 2 plus delta cube y0 upon 3 factorial plus dot dot dot. We have to write this formula up to the 6, but you note that only we have to convert. Now how we can get the, actually हा फॉर्म्युला तुम्हाला 6 पर्यंत लिहायचा आहे, because we have to put the value as a n is equals to 6, that is a delta raised to 6. ठीक आहे, असो द्या. Now so put n is equals to 6. हे MCQ मध्ये विचारतात. To obtain the Weddle's rule, which term we have to put in place of n in the general quadrature formula? Then you have to write the answers 2, 4, 6, 8. You have to write answer in this way. Okay. So put what is the correct answer? Then there will be the option, that is the correct option is 6, because we have to put 6, n is equals to 6 in the general quadrature formula. Then we will get the Weddle's rule. Okay, n is equals to 6 in the general quadrature formula, and neglect all differences and neglect all differences above the sixth, we get what we will get. See this, if we put n is equals to 6, then how we will get integral from x0 to, if we put n is equals to 6, then x0 to 6x y dx, which will be 6 into n means h, 6 into y0 plus 6 square means 18 delta y0. See this, 6 square upon 2, 6 square means 36, 36 upon 2 means 18. बरोबर आहे का रे स्टुडंट्स? प्लस इथं 6 चा क्यूब किती येतो रे सांगा बर? व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ 6 क्यूब? 6 क्यूब upon 2 minus 6 square upon 2 into delta, इथं लिहितो delta square y0 means we can write this as 2. Delta square y0 means y0 minus 2 times of y1 plus y2 divided by 2 factorial means again 2. ओके 256, व्हेरी गुड. प्लस n raised to 4, 6 raised to 4 by 4 minus 6 raised to 3 by 3 plus n square means 6 raised to 2 by 2 into delta 3y0 अपॉन 6. डेल्टा 3y0 ची व्हॅल्यू आपण ठेवलेली आहे. पहा कॅल्क्युलेट करा काय केली होती. पहा डेल्टा 3y0 मीन्स हाऊ वी कॅन पुट धिस डेल्टा 3y0, दॅट मीन्स y3 minus 3 times of y2 plus 3 times of y1 minus y0 upon 3 factorial. What is the value of 3 factorial? Students, what is the value of 3 factorial? 3 factorial means 6 plus dot dot dot. In this way we can write. ओके, अशा पद्धतीनं आपण हा फॉर्म्युला लिहू शकतो. 216 येते का? व्हेरी गुड. 216 पाऊंड 3 अशा पद्धतीनं सॉल्व करत चला. आणि फोर्थ किती येतो? 216 चा चौथा घातांक किती येतो? सॉरी, 6 चा फोर्थ पॉवर किती येतो? 6 चा फोर्थ पॉवर, नाउ यू टेल मी. 6 to the power 4th. So we will get the value, therefore integral from x0 to x0 plus 6h into y dx. If we solve this term, then we will get h into, what is that value? So h into, 1 minute. So we will get h by 6. आता पहा, if we put these values in the equation, then okay, 1296 का? ठीक आहे, 1296 ठेवा. मग काय येईल पहा, 6 into y0 plus 18 into delta y0 means it will be, okay, delta y0 means y1 minus y0 plus 27 delta square y0 means y0 minus 2 times of y1 minus plus y1 plus again 1296 upon 4 minus, that is 1296 divided by 4. Then we will get the next 216 divided by, बरोबर आहे का रे, 216 divided by 3 plus 36 divided by 2, याचं कॅल्क्युलेशन करा. म्हणजे that will be the quantity 24 into, आता त्या पद्धतीनं परत y3 minus 3y2 plus 3y1 minus y0 plus, in this way we will get the next term, that is 123 divided by 10 delta 4th y0 plus 33 divided by 10 delta 5y0 plus 41 divided by 140 delta 6y0 plus dot dot. So we have to neglect all other terms, neglecting higher differences above the 6, A, B, O, V, E, above the 6 difference पुढचे काढून टाका. Now if we replace, आता हे सर्व तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवावं लागेल, if we replace the last term, approximate value of last term, that is 41 by 140, याची approximate आपण ती value to 3 by 10 delta raised to 6 y0, the error made is h divided by 140 delta raised to y6, which is the negligible value if h is negligible value of h, negligible value of h if is such that the sixth differences are small. So we have to are small. So we have to replace this. Then we will get the next value, and if we take the common from this, then we will get integral from x0 to x0 plus 3h y dx is equals to, if we solve and take out a common 3h by 10, then we will be y0 3h by 10 जर काढलं तर कॉमन काय येतो, y0 plus 5 times of y1 plus y2 plus 6 times of y3 plus y4 plus 5 times of y5 plus 6. Suppose this is equation number 1. Similarly, we can write, for next column or next differences, that is integral from x0 to 6h comma x0 to 12h, then y dx, which will be the value 3h by 10 y6 plus 5 times of y7 plus y8, we can write plus y8 plus 6 times of y9, y8 plus 6 times of y9 plus you can use y0 5 times of y1, y2, y6 times of y3, पुन्हा y4. y4 means that is a y10 plus 5 times of y11 plus y12. Suppose this is in this second. In this way we can write the last difference. What is that last difference? That is nth difference. So nth integral column of that term, that is, in this way we can write in general integral from x0. How we can write this? Plus, आता 6 चा डिफरन्स आहे म्हणून n minus 6h x0 to 6h y dx, which is equals to 3h by 10. We can write 6 term back from yn. yn पासन 6 term back या, बाकी याच टर्म लिहा. y0 means y raised to n minus 6 plus 5 times of y n minus 5 plus, आता हे y means that will be y n minus 4 plus we can write this 6 times of y n minus 3 plus we can write, here is a 10. We can write y10 means yn minus 2 plus we can write 5 times of, this is n minus 2, yn minus 1 plus last term is again yn. This is, suppose we can write n. Now by the property of definite integral, we can write this as, I shall cancel this, only dot dot dot. We can write integral from, we get, how we can write integral from x0 to x0 plus nh y dx, which is equals to integral from x0 to x0 plus 6h y dx plus integral from x0 to 6h to 12h y dx plus you can write x0 to 12h to x0 to 18h. In this way dot dot dot, the last term is integral of x0 plus n minus 6h to x0 plus nh y dx. This is the property of definite integral. Now put the values. आता याच्या values ठेवा. So first value is 3h by 10 as it is. Common काढा. इथं first 3h by 10, second 3h by 10, third 3h by 10, nth 3h by 10. So you can take 3h by 10 is the common term. Then which are the remaining terms? Then y0 plus 5 times of y1 plus y2 plus 6 times of y3 plus y4 plus y5 times of y5 plus y6 plus, again we can write the second term, that is y6 plus 5 times of y7 same plus y8 plus 6 times of y9 plus y10 plus 5 times of y11 plus y12. In this way plus dot 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 dot. In this way we can write the last term, that is yn minus 6 plus 5 times of yn minus 5 plus yn minus 4. सेम रिप्लेस करायची टर्म, हे फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड त्याच मल्टिपल मध्ये येतात. these are the terms which gives the same multiple, that is 6 yn minus 3 plus yn minus 2, नॉन मल्टिपल ऑफ yn minus 2. y10 ला नॉट मल्टिपल आहे ना, सेम 5 टाइम्स ऑफ yn minus 1 plus yn. In this way we can write the summation. Now you take this y6 plus y6 means 2 times of y6, remaining terms as it is. y12 plus y12 means 2 times of y12. In this way we can write in this way continuously. Same process मध्ये आपल्याला लिहिता येतो आणि मग the final answer will be, so we can write this final answer. Therefore integral from x0 to x0 plus nh, that is also denoted by y dx, which will be 3h by 10 into, we can write y0 plus 5 times of y1 plus y2 plus 6 times of y3 plus y4 plus 5 times of y5 plus y6, 2 times of y6. See this y6 plus y6, there is only difference, that is 2 times of y6 plus 5 times of y7, parat same dot 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 in this way, plus 2 times of yn minus 7 plus we can write y 5 times of n minus 6 yn minus 6, 2 times of yn minus 6, 2 times of yn minus 6, 6 टर्म ची डबल होते, plus 5 times of yn minus 5 plus yn minus 4 plus 6 times of yn minus 3 plus yn minus 2 plus 5 times of yn minus 1 plus yn. And in this way we can write the final formula, that is Weddle's required formula is integral from a to b y dx is equals to 3h by 10. This is the multiplication factor. y0 we can write y0 plus 5 times of y1 plus y2 plus 6 times of y3 plus y4 plus 5 times of y5 plus 2 times of y6 plus dot 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 in this way. पुन्हा रिपीट होतं, पुन्हा काय येतं याच्या पुढं, see this again there is a repetition, y6 plus 5 times of y7, y6 plus 5 times of y7 plus y8 plus 6 times of y9 plus y10 plus 5 times of y11 plus 2 times of 2 times of y12. In this way again we can write the repeated terms. So this completes the formula, and this is the required Weddle's formula for the numerical integration. We can get the formula for numerical integration. अशा पद्धतीने आपण हा न्यूमेरिकल इंटिग्रेशन फॉर्म्युला लिहू शकतो. ओके, तर या पद्धतीने आपण हा न्यूमेरिकल इंटिग्रल फॉर्म्युला लिहू शकतो. तर नीट परत एकदा पहा फॉर्म्युला कसा येतो, त्या पद्धतीने पहा. सो आय शॅल अगेन रिवाइज दिस. See this. How we will get the Weddle's formula? You must note. I shall revise this formula. Weddle's rule using a general quadrature formula. We have the general quadrature formula is integral from x0 to x0 plus nh plus h into, this is the general quadrature formula. Actually, this is the general quadrature formula. See this. Trapezoidal rule, Simpson's 1/3 rule, then Simpson's 1/3 rule, Simpson's 3/8 rule, and Weddle's rule. All remaining 4 formulas are obtained by using replacement of general quadrature formula. That means we have to put n is equals to 1, n is equals to 2, n is equals to 3, and n is equals to 6. Then we get the corresponding different formulas. So to find the Weddle's rule, we have to put n is equals to 6 in the general quadrature formula. मग n is equals to 6 ठेवा. त्यानंतर पहा, if we put n is equals to 6, then we will get this expansion up to the delta 6. तुम्हाला कुठपर्यंत लिहावा लागणार आहे हा फॉर्म्युला? delta 6 पर्यंत. Then we will get now replace 3 by 10 into delta raised to 6 y0. ही approximate value replace केली. We have replaced this approximate value. ही value replace केली का? 3h by 10च का replace केलं? Then we can take the common 3h by 10. ओव्हरऑल टर्म मधनं 3h by 10 कॉमन घेऊ शकतो, म्हणून इथं 3h by 10 रिप्लेस केली. 41 divided by 140 delta raised to 6y0. We have replaced this by using 3 by 10 delta raised to 6, because it is possible to take the common 3h by 10 from all the terms up to the 6 differences. So we can take a common 3h by 10. The remaining terms will be y0 plus 5y1 plus y2 plus 6y3 plus y4 plus 5y5 plus, here is a y6. 1 minute. This is a y6. Okay, this is a y6. In this way we can obtain. Then from this we can write the second column integration. Ha first part चा झाला integration from x0 to x0 plus 3h. Similarly, we can find the integration x0 to x0 plus 6h to x0 to x0 plus 12h y dx. We can write 3h divided by 10, y0 plus 5 into y7 plus y8 plus 6 y9 plus y10 plus 5 y11 plus ... y12. Okay. So we can write this as a y0 plus n minus 6 to y0 plus 6h. Then we get 3h divided by 10 yn minus 6 plus yn minus 5 plus yn minus 4. In this way we can write this, okay, up to the. So by using the property definite integral, x0 to x0 plus nh can be written as x0 to x0 plus 6h, x0 plus 6h to x0 plus 12h ... x0 plus n minus 6h to x0 plus nh. Okay. So put this value, adding all these terms, first, second, third, सर्व integral च्या values ठेवा. Then 3h divided by 10 जो आहे, then we will get in this way. 3h by 10 will be the common, then remaining term. आता यामध्ये फरक एवढाच आहे, y6 plus y6. See this, एवढीच term common येते double. y6 plus y6 means 2 times of y6. बस एवढाच फरक, बाकी as it is terms. So it will be okay. So in this way we can write this. ठीक है, as it is. So integral from a to b y dx is equals to 3h by 10 y0 plus 5 times of y1 plus y2 plus 6 times of y3 plus y4 ... in this way we can write solution. Okay. तर अशा पद्धतीने हा Weddle's फॉर्म्युला होतो. आता याच्यावरचे प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत स्टुडंट्स, याच्यावरचे प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत सिम्पसन्स 1/3 रूल, सिम्पसन्स क्वाड्रॅचर रूल, हे जे बरेचसे प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत ते आपण उद्या आणि परवाच्या लेक्चरमध्ये घेऊ. उद्या संडे जरी असेल तर आपला रेग्युलर टाइममध्ये लेक्चर होईल. ठीक आहे. नाउ वी शॅल स्टॉप हिअर. नमस्कार, गुड बाय.